In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Linstead Primary won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Linstead Primary and Bible knowledge. Complete this beatitude. Blessed are the pure in heart. Corinaldi, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
Thank you. For they shall see God. Sticking with Corinaldi, complete the beatitude. Blessed are the peacemakers.
For they shall inherit the kingdom of heaven.
For they shall inherit the kingdom of heaven.
Incorrect, for they shall be called the children of God. Science for Linstead. What type of lens is curved outward?
Convex lens.
Please repeat.
Convex lens.
That is correct. Corinaldi, in which part of the human eye is an image created from refracted light?
Retina. Retina.
Correct. Jamaican affairs is a visual. Linstead, look at the monitor and identify the person.
Do you know?
Corinaldi, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Go ahead.
Dan Garden Harrison.
Dan Garden Harrison.
That is correct. Corinaldi, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Archibald Gordon.
Archibald Gordon.
Incorrect. It's the Honorable Brian Sykes, Jamaica's Chief Justice. English language for Linstead. Spell calamity. Time's up. Corinaldi, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
Calamity, C-A-L-A-M-I-T-Y. Corinaldi, spell physique.
P-H-Y-S-I-Q-U-E.
That is correct. Television is a visual for Linstead. Look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character. Corinaldi, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you.
Go ahead.
Johnny Bravo. Johnny Bravo.
That is correct. Corinaldi, sticking with you, look at the monitor and identify the cartoon character.
Author.
Author.
Judge? Incomplete. It's Arthur Reed. Linstead, going back to you for general knowledge. What is the official language in Cuba?
Spanish.
That is correct. Corinaldi, what is the official language in Suriname?
Dutch. Dutch.
Correct. Social studies. This is for Linstead. Which hurricane caused widespread damage in Jamaica in 1951?
Hurricane Gilbert.
That is incorrect. It's Charlie. Corinaldi, which hurricane caused much damage in Jamaica in 2004?
Hurricane Ivan.
Hurricane Ivan.
That is correct. Linstead, music, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this late Jamaican singer. Corinaldi, would you like to try?
Thank you. No, thank you.
It's Peter Tosh. Corinaldi, look at the monitor and identify this late Jamaican singer.
Bob Marley.
Bob Marley.
Incorrect, it's Garnet Silk. Linstead, we'll be able to get to that question. That brings us to the end of section 1. The scores are Corinaldi Avenue Primary on 6 and Linstead Primary on 2. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. With a new school year, it's very important to plan ahead by making a timetable for homework and assignments. Good planning will improve your results. Stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.